Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll share sprouted green gram curry and a fish curry. Now I'm soaking the green grams for about 1 to 2 hours. Earlier I sprouted the green grams without soaking, but it took about 4 days to sprout. So that's why I'm soaking the green grams for about 1 to 2 hours. When the green grams are soaked, I drained out the water and transferred the green grams on a damp cloth. And covered it. Going to let it as it is for 2 days in a cool place. If you feel the cloth is dry, just sprinkle some water. Let's see the sprouted green grams. To make the green gram dish, I have added mustard seeds into hot oil. When the seeds splutter, I am adding chopped garlic and green chilies. Now I am adding the chopped onions and mixing it well. Adding the chopped tomatoes and mixing well. When the tomatoes are mushy enough, now I am adding the spices. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon curry powder. Mixing the spices well. Now I am adding the sprouted green grams into it, along with 1 cup water. As the green grams have been sprouted, it doesn't take too long to cook. Meanwhile, I have already cleaned and washed some fresh small fish. The green gram dish is ready. Going to make the fish curry in a clay pot. Into the heated oil, I am adding mustard seeds, cumin seeds and fenugreek seeds. Then goes chopped garlic and green chilies. Then added 2 medium-sized onions chopped. Into 2 cups of coconut milk, I am adding half teaspoon turmeric, 1.5 teaspoon of curry powder and some crushed peppers. When the onions are slightly cooked, I am adding the turmeric juice. And now I am adding the spicy coconut milk. When the coconut milk starts to boil, add salt. Add the fish into it. Let it cook for 10 minutes. The fish is done. That's my lunch plate. Hope you liked this video. Do not forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe my channel if you are new. We'll meet with another video on next week. Thank you for watching.